Okay, YouTube's verified. Court call State of Texas versus Laura Garza. This is cause number 2025 CC 003-038. We're here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We're also live streaming the proceedings, so it's open to the public. My name's Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in the county court line for Bexar County, Texas, and specifically in the jail court. Actually, we had done some preliminaries on this case about an hour ago. The paperwork wasn't signed correctly. I have the paperwork in front of me now, and it does appear to be signed correctly. But let's go ahead and get the attorneys on the record, and we'll start from the top. And if we could start with the state of Texas, please.
Sabrina Urso for the state.
Attorney John Garcia for the defendant, Your Honor.
Ma'am, are you the same Laura Garza charged by information with criminal trespass? Is that you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm okay.
You are good. But are you the same one that's charged with criminal trespass?
Yes, I'm trying to just do time, reserving time and
Yeah,
I got it. Hold on. I understand that. The way for us to do that is I have to go over the paperwork that you and your attorney had. Ask some real basic questions. There's no trick questions here, okay? If you just answer my questions, then I think we can get through this okay, all right?
okay.
Can you do that for me?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to use a function of Zoom. It's called share screen. And on your screen, you should see a document. It's called the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. Using my cursor to circle around electronic signature, it says Laura Garza. Is this yours?
Yes.
All right. By signing this, you're telling me two things. Normally we do pleas live in an open court, but once you sign on this thing, on this document, you're telling me you're consenting to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed that?
Yes.
And then secondly, it's electronic signature, and all the electronic signatures on this plea packet in front of me, you're telling me those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes.
I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. Ms. Garza, I'm scrolling down to another document. It's 2 pages. It's called the court's admonishments. And on page 2, I'm using my cursor to circle an electronic signature. It says Laura Garza. Is this your signature?
Yes.
I'm going to get out of share screen. By signing, well, first off, did you go over this form and talk it over with your attorney?
Yes.
By signing this, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes.
The rights you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, I was silent.
You signed it. Did you understand all that before you signed it, though?
Yes, can I play silent?
I'm not sure what you're telling me. What's that now?
Oh, no, I believe she was asking if you had already signed it, Laura.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's just asking if you signed it, and you did.
Here, I'll
Yes.
show you. Let me go back to share screen. All right, this is the court's admonishments, okay?
Yes.
And on page 2 is your signature here, okay? Can you see that?
Yes. Yes.
Now that I've gone over this form with you, I have signed it as well. You see my signature here?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm a little bit off my memorization for this thing, but let me go back up to talking to you about when you sign this,
Yes.
you're giving up your rights. Did you understand that?
Yes.
And the rights you're giving up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for criminal trespass, which is a Class B misdemeanor. And so you could get up to a $2,000 fine, and you could get up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the admonishments, and I make them a part of the record. Ma'am, I'm going to leave share a screen out for you. It's just so you can watch and see how I fill out some of this other paperwork. Okay. So I'm on the form. I've already signed it. It's called a trial court certification. I'll go over that with you in a few minutes. But I'm on a form that's going to list for us in a minute here the plea bargain case. First, I'm putting in the prosecutor's name in here, but then prosecutor, can you tell us what your agreement is with the defense?
Yes, Your Honor. It is for a $0 fine, court costs, 9 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Mr. Garcia, is that your understanding of the agreement?
That's our understanding of the agreement, Your Honor.
And Ms. Garza, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes,
Now, Ms. Garza, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
yes,
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
yes,
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
yes,
Mr. Garcia, any such rulings in this case?
No, there are not, Your Honor.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, then I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and we'll proceed to trials if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
yes,
Are you a citizen of the United States?
yes,
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual or rational understanding of the charge pending against her?
She does, Your Honor.
You believe she's been able to assist you in the defense?
She has, Your Honor.
You believe she's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
She is, Your Honor.
Ma'am, to the offense that's listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Did you hear the question?
yes.
So how do you want to plead? Do you want to plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Where's she going?
Come on up to the camera, man.
I'm sorry, Judge, you still talking to her?
Yes.
Yeah, we're still in the plea.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Guilty.
Okay, you gotta pay attention to what he's doing, okay?
To put guilty in there.
okay, I'll make it a little easier for you. Do you want to plead guilty or no contest to this, ma'am?
No contest.
Okay, I'm going to click the no contest button right here, all right? Now, do
Okay.
you understand that even though you've pled no contest, you can
Yes,
still
I
be found
understand.
guilty? You can still be found guilty under no
I
contest.
understand. So I'm just gonna go.
Okay.
Can I just reschedule this thingy?
Now, we're almost done. We're okay.
We're almost done.
Here, I'm
Almost
going to get
done.
out of share screen.
Almost done, Laura.
We're almost done. Now, other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
What do you
have a
want?
plea, we have a plea
Everything
bargain,
I
correct?
want.
You have a plea bargain, right?
Okay.
My ticket.
Your ticket, this is not a ticket, okay?
Judge, I don't think she understands what's going on.
Yeah, I'm getting my concerns.
Yeah, if we could reschedule, Your Honor, and I will talk to her.
Okay, what I'm going to do, I'll take a recess, ma'am. I'm still on the record though, ma'am. I'm going to recess your hearing. I'm going to reset it. I think it might be better if we bring her to the presiding court for her county court number 4. Have her do it live, perhaps, and we'll do it that way.
Okay.
I
Thank you, Your
think
Honor.
that might be the better thing. All right. So with that, we're going to go ahead and conclude the matter for now. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Garcia, do you think she needs a competency? Might consider that.
She was lucid when I spoke with her the last time we did a visitation. I'll go ahead and I'm going to visit with her again before the next court appearance and find out if that needs to be done. If it does, I'll bring that attention to the judge in county court number 4.
All right.